Have you ever wanted a Gundam that could fit in your pocket? Look no further. The Gunpla-Kun little creature boy will do just that.
Do we get an example of it fitting into a pocket?
Yeah, hold on.
Are you selling me lies or are you selling me the truth?
Fits right in your pocket. In fact, do you know what? I could probably fit. Oh,
You took his lower half.
I broke. Can you help me? I'm trying to sell product here. In fact, oh.
This
well,
one you'd have to put together.
This one.
This one is maybe
But
the
look-
empty pocket.
Look, yeah, hold on. What? And just like that, you can have 3 little Gundams in your pockets. Call us now. With, the number flashing on the screen. Okay, that's all I got. Hi, everybody. Hi.
Did everything survive the pocket?
Everything survived the pocket.
That's some high quality Limex right there.
I got some high quality pockets, let me tell you.
Let me put everyone back where they go. Yeah, nothing fell off. They
Nothing
actually
fell
went
off.
in and out of the pocket in one piece.
Yeah, I know. Because I'm extra careful, and they are built for pocket size.
Hi everybody! Welcome back. It is 2026. This is the first... Pockets are actually the first video of 2026. If you think about it.
Pockets are in 2026, let me tell you.
According to
Happy New Year, everyone.
model-sized kids. Happy New Year!
Happy New
Happy New
Year!
Year! Welcome, welcome, welcome. You can tell we haven't done this in like a month because we don't know what to say anymore. We turn on the camera and panic and start putting Gunplas in our pockets.
I thought I had something.
I think it was working well.
Okay.
I didn't know where you were going with it, so I'm just sitting here like, yes, of course.
Yes. You're my showgirl. You're showing it off. You know, I'm trying
I just
to sell.
watched you put things in your
You
pocket.
did.
Yeah.
But you let me do it.
We'll work on it.
And I appreciate that.
We're gonna do these guys today. I don't know what the name of this like line is, cause this is Gunpla-Kun.
Mm-hmm.
This is Char's Zaku-kun, and this is Zaku-kun. So I don't know if the line themselves have a name, but these are like the cutest, to Peanut's point, pocket-sized Gunpla or model kits.
Yeah.
And they're the perfect size to be little desk friends.
They are teeny tiny.
They're so cute.
They're, in comparison, I should grab an SD to show size.
Oh, size-wise? Okay.
But they are smaller than SDs. Who should I grab? Who should I?
The closest one is the Sazabi, but he's a little big.
He's a little big.
You could grab the Astray, the SD Astray, beside Lady.
Beside Lady. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why I asked. I know who that is.
I don't know if this is an SD or a BB, because he's a tiny boy.
I think he might be BB. This might still be a BB, but in comparison, still. Let me grab an SD.
I need bigger hands.
I don't want to grab an MG.
Best friends.
Should I grab my
The
gun
MGSD is
tank?
bigger. Yeah, you can grab gun tank. Oh, the color palette, the matchy. I don't have flat hands.
And that's an SD for comparison.
Yes.
So
We had to look up how tall these are. These are 3.3 inches tall.
yes.
They're
little.
so tiny. But unlike the SDs, they're not... Well, I guess you could argue that they are slightly deformed, because look at these spaghetti limbs that we're experiencing here.
Yes. The proportions.
We'll
A
have to do
little
a
off.
close-up, and we'll cover the proportions at that point.
Yeah.
But these are a newer line. So Gunpla-Kun himself came out in 2023, so now that we're in 2026, we're 3 years
ago.
behind.
3 years ago.
But the Zaku's in Char Zaku-Kun came out last year in 2025.
Mhm.
So the boxes for these are cute.
So little.
Are little, just like the little Gunplas themselves. This is like baby's first Gunpla.
Yeah.
That's what it's selling to me.
Yeah.
And it has like a cute little story on the side. It says synopsis. This is supposedly, in brackets, spectacular story of how Gunpla-Kun and his friends, I'm assuming
And his
the Zakus,
friends, yes.
who have a strong desire to spread the fun and splendor of plastic model kits to the whole world, encounter people and passionately, and sometimes egotistically, in brackets, interact.
Egotistical?
From Peanut's pockets. That's
From
how
our
they
pockets.
travel the world. Via pockets.
Via pocket.
Via pocket portal.
Yeah. Wow.
Cute.
Cute. Love that.
This is the side. I just chose this one of the three. So it does talk about how these kits are made out of Limex and how the Limex for these runners are the first time they have supposedly done it multiple colors on a runner,
Yeah,
which is fun and exciting.
Fully colored. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The runners themselves, there's only 4 of them. It's a very quick and easy. These are empty because we have built
it. We've built it. Yeah. He is built.
I think this is the only kit legitimately we can build in 30 minutes because we can't build a 30-minute mission in 30 minutes. These guys we can build in 30 minutes.
Yes.
Very good.
Definitely.
Zaku-kun. You can put them on a runner and display them in runner
a fake
format.
little runner? Yes,
Yeah.
I do appreciate that with these guys.
This is the red one for Char Zaku-kun. And they have a little piece that clips onto the back of them that stores all of your spare weapons. I love that because I have plastic baggies galore of spare parts.
We have boxes full of spare part bags.
Yes, and they take up so much space.
Yeah.
So look at this.
That's so handy.
You clip it on the back, and it holds up the entire display.
It's clever. It's
amazing.
Clever design.
It even has the stand underneath that he would be on otherwise. I love this.
That's good. It's good
This
stuff.
saves space in the display case. Chef's kiss. Big fan. And I wanted to show you guys the instruction manual because look at here. For you. It's so cute. I thought it was going to be a little pamphlet and I was actually upset when it unfolded into one big page instead, but I still love it.
Here we are.
Because I wanted it to be a cute little tiny booklet, but still love. I like how with regular booklets you get like the color page and then the non-colored pages.
Yeah.
The same thing transfers here. You get your colored page and your non-colored page.
It's so simple.
It is.
And I appreciate how simple it is. It's just so easy. And yeah, I like that you can display it either way.
There's
it's just
very
so nice.
little assembly required. Most of the limbs, they come on the runner put together as is, and you're just cutting out the individual body parts.
Yeah.
The head itself is like 4 pieces. The waist is 2 pieces. The torso is 3 pieces plus a backpack.
Yeah.
And the arms and legs are already put together. Oh, sorry. You put the soles of the feet on the legs, and that's it.
And that's it.
And that's it. So things that are different colors are different pieces, but if it's the same color, it's all one piece.
Yeah.
It's lovely. It truly is baby's first Gunpla.
Yeah. Yep. I would highly recommend that. I mean, even if you're a seasoned builder, it is a really cute desk friend.
Normally when we are recommending model kits to a younger audience or people who are intimidated by even like an SD, I'll be like, you should try some Pokepla. I would recommend these too, because this is just as simple as a Pokepla.
Oh, yes. Maybe even simpler, depending on, because
there's some actually pretty extravagant Pokepla.
Yeah,
these days.
they're not just like...
Back in my day, you had like 6 pieces of a Pikachu.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Now they're bigger and more complex.
And I always feel bad recommending Pokepla to people who are like, I want to build mecha.
Yes, I'm looking for a Gundam.
This is the equivalent.
This right here. This
and
is
you got
great.
the 3 of them. The Gunpla-Kun also has a theater recolor that's like, I don't know colors. What kind of blue is it? I would call it a navy blue, but I'm not a mantis shrimp that sees a bajillion colors. So in your shrimp's eye, what color is the theatrical recolor of Gunpla-Kun?
I'd have to see.
Let me show you a picture. Midnight blue.
That's like a
navy
mix,
blue.
That's like a mix between like a midnight and an electric blue.
Oh, electric blue, actually. I think that sounds the fanciest, so that's going to be my new color.
It's not quite as vibrant. It's somewhere in the middle. It's a nice, yes. It's a nice color.
So it's
dramatic. It's dramatic.
It is called the theater color or something like that. So it's the drama.
The drama. Yeah.
But unlike this one, it's very much like all that electric blue, and then you get a couple colors. It's more like a Zaku, where a Zaku's like very much all one color for the most part. Mm-hmm. Same idea. And these retail for a very reasonable price. In Canada, you see them ranging between 10 and 20. But that's because Canada pricing is all over the board. We don't really know what's going on.
Nobody knows what's going on at any given point.
And the recolor is a limited item. So you've got to, in the Canadian market, you're most likely to find it at conventions type of thing.
Yes. I would love to get our hands on one at some point. Then we'd have the full collection.
Well, I wish you told me. They had them at the convention circuit last year, and I bought bear guys instead because they're also cute.
Who was you? You didn't know.
I didn't know. I didn't know.
Nobody knew.
I hadn't built this one yet, so at the time we only had 2. So
Fair.
how was I supposed to know?
We didn't know. I would love to get the 4th one. Yeah, he's super cute.
I love these. I'm actually obsessed with these.
Yeah.
I want them to do more than just the Gunpla and the Zakus, but I don't know if they will, because I imagine they have to make molds for each of the ones.
But then it gets into the line of there's SDs already. There's now MGEX.
I love these though.
There's the BBs
I like
they're their
small
own
cute
thing.
things. I know a lot of mecha fans are like, we need bigger mechs.
The bigger the better.
But I want the little cutesy. I want one that's like a pastel pink and has flowers on it. Do you think they would?
Oh, imagine
A Valentine's Day recolor?
Imagine a little noble.
Yeah. I think the market is there.
Yeah,
But we're probably
we're
not
the
gonna
market.
get them. We are the market.
We're the market.
We're writing letters to Mr. Dad Bandai being like, please, sir, we'd like a pink one.
Super cute. Love it.
You want to take a close-up look?
Yes. Shablam!
Closing thoughts on cutie pies?
Closing thoughts. Pocket size, convenient. Built for convenience.
The last time Peanut took kits with her as she traveled, she ended up breaking one, so I don't know if...
Yeah, I put a spaghetti container on top of it, and it broke its leg.
Be careful traveling with your model kits.
Just be careful. Yeah. Anyways, they're super cute. Love them.
They are super cute. These are the kind of model kits that, yes, we have display cases to display all of our super cute things, but I would put this like under my computer monitor or put this on a desk at work. Like this could be used as like home decor, in my opinion.
Do you know what would be so cute? On like your car dash.
Yeah, you know how people have like little bobbleheads?
The little bobbleheads, a little Hawaiian, you know? So cute on a car dash.
Actually, yeah, I can see that.
That would be so cute.
It's the right size.
I'm so smart. I'm so smart.
Let us know where you guys end up putting yours, if they just end up in the display case or if you find other places to put these little guys. Thank you so much to Plamo for sending us our little pocket-sized friends.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate them greatly.
And with that, thank you so much. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.